Welcome, my dear students. We are again back with a video, one more educative video. Try to understand our seasons that are the colors of our life. Why do they change? How do they come? We are in chapter 3 Movements of the Earth. Yes, uh, I have left out this chapter in my previous video up to rotation and revolution. Now we will discuss in this chapter in this video about the equinoxes and solstices. First of all, try to understand what are these equinoxes. See, students, as we know, generally, right from the childhood, we are being taught by our elders कि in winters we have long nights and short days. And in summer season, गर्मियों में क्या होता है? The days are longer and the nights are smaller. But geographically, what is the connection? Let's try to understand. See, solstices are those days which are either having the longest day or a longest night. तो विंटर सोलिस्टिक की अगर हम बात करें, विंटर सोलिस्टिक इज द डे on which we experience the longest night of a calendar year, and usually it occurs on 22nd of December. ओके, सेम वे जैसे विंटर सोलिस्टिक होता है ऐसे ही सेम समर सोलिस्टिक भी होता है. इन समर सोलिस्टिक इट्स वाइस वर्सा, इट्स ऑपोजिट. व्हाट हैपेंस इज हियर द नाइट इज द longest and here the day is the longest. 21st of June have the longest day in a calendar year, and this is considered as the what? Summer solstice. Fine. So let me tell you with this dates again. 22nd of December may what happens is the position of the earth. See, this northern hemisphere, it is tilted away from the sun. Since it is tilted away from the sun, so it experiences winter, and southern hemisphere experiences the summer season. Okay, and since north hemisphere experiences winter, so we called it as a winter solstice falling on 22nd of December. अगर हम इससे आगे चलें, then we of course have a new year on 1st of January. After entering into January, in the month of March, slowly when we move towards month of March, after mid March, there's another one more happening कि the northern part of the earth is away from the sun and the southern part is more closer to the sun. Here we experience the vernal equinox. It's on 20th of March. Southern hemisphere में autumn season होता है, and in the northern hemisphere it occurs a spring season. When we proceed more towards the year, हम मार्च से आगे चलते हैं अप्रैल में, then we move to May, then we come to the month, our one of the favorite month of students life, it's summer vacations, of course. Yes, the month of June. On 21st of June we experience one of the longest days. It's chilling hot everywhere, people are sweating heavily, the sun seems to be कि सूरज में इतनी गर्मी कहाँ से आ गई. We keep on seeing the temperature and all, hearing in the news, आज सबसे गर्म दिन रहा है, आज सबसे hot day रहा है. So what happens is the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun and the northern hemisphere experiences summer, and the southern hemisphere यानी कि जो अर्थ का नीचे वाला पार्ट है that experiences winter. Okay, and the date is 21st of June. So 21st of June happens to be the longest day of the year. Again, one more thing I want to tell here is, see, students, don't interpret these days with the directly with the hottest and coldest day. यहाँ पर हमने केवल ये बोला है the longest nights and the longest days. We are not saying the hottest day and hottest night. It can be, ऐसा हो सकता है, but it is not necessary कि these days are the hottest and the coldest day of the year. These are just related to the amount of sunshine they experience. Okay. Okay, now coming to the fourth and the final moment. After advancing towards June, then we have a month of July. It starts raining. It's a monsoon month. Okay, slowly we move towards the September. Okay, and the months of September in a student's life, it gives a alarm of half yearly exam to be commencing. Okay, you can remember these months by the name of your exams also. Usually in March we have our annual exams as per the school curriculums usually. Okay, in September we come to meet with half yearly, and same is the कोइंसिडेंस, दीज टू डेट्स आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंस ऑफ नियर अबाउट 6 मंथ्स, ओके, लगभग 6 महीने का ही अंतर होता है, और 6 महीने का डिफरेंस आपके हाफ ईयरली और एनुअल्स में होता है. इन मार्च यू हैव एन एनुअल्स, ओके, यू राइट योर एनुअल एग्जाम्स. In month of September, last of September, usually we write our half yearlies. So at 23rd of September, it shows, the nature shows some, uh, it shows some relief of pressure, thoda hotness kam hoti hai, there is some relaxation in the chilling hot of the sun. And 23rd of September again, it causes day and nights to be equal. On 20th of March and on 23rd of September, these dates are called equinoxes because इन दो डेट्स में द डे एंड नाइट आर ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ इक्वल ड्यूरेशन. द डे एंड नाइट्स आर ऑफ 12 आवर्स ईच, ओके, 12-12 घंटे की जो है डे और नाइट्स होते हैं 23rd of September और 20th of March में. हियर द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर ऑफ अर्थ experiences autumn equinox and the southern hemisphere experiences the spring equinox. Now I hope अभी तक जो आप सीजन्स को अपनी इंग्लिश पोएम्स में या अदर किसी स्टोरीज में पढ़ते थे, समझते थे, नाउ यू हैव साइंटिफिकली कनेक्टेड दिस डेट्स विद एक्चुअल सिनेरियो कि व्हाई डज दिस विंटर हैपन इन मंथ्स ऑफ दिसंबर, या व्हाई द समर हैपन्स इन मंथ ऑफ जून, व्हाई द डेज आर सो लॉन्ग इन December, January, and why the nights are so short in the month of May, June, and July as well. Okay, and why the month of March is a relaxing month, neither too hot, neither too cold, and same is of September. So this was some information which I tried to give from your side. I hope the movement of the earth, अब आपके ये समझ में आ गया how does the movement of earth happens टू अकर डे एंड नाइट. हमारी लाइफ में जो रोज इवेंट होता है डे एंड नाइट का, वो मूवमेंट ऑफ अर्थ से कैसे जुड़ा हुआ है, बाय द रोटेशन. एंड this winter seasons, why, oh sorry, this change of seasons is connected to the revolution. See, these are the part and parcel of life, these are the shades of nature. If there would be no day and nights, if there would be no spring and summer and autumn, our life would be boring. So nature has made such an arrangement कि हमारी life becomes very, colorful of different different shades. Fine. So thank you so much, and I would be soon back with one more new chapter of SST to share as much as information I can deliver to you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.